Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at thejeepsterman.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
Hey guys, this is John at Jeepsterman. Today we're talking about some of the chassis that we sell here from MD1. This one's getting ready to go out to a customer. This is a CJ3A chassis. What we see, we see a lot of customers that are buying tubs, but they don't buy chassis. A lot of times we recommend that customers buy tubs and chassis together because they're fit and they're lined up for each other. They're fit at the factory and lined up. But a lot of people don't even know that chassis are available because there's not a whole lot of vendors here in the US that actually carry these. We do carry these. We like these. We've looked over these, and really a good product. So these are mandrel bent, fully welded, actually using a robotic machine to weld these. So great looking welds because we're using a robot system to weld these things up. And then they're finished in a black epoxy primer. And as most of you know, your frames are usually pretty wasted, trash. Sometimes people have already tried to make repairs on them. So I feel like frames, really are an excellent option if you're looking for a better frame than what you have. This one here is a 3A frame. I'll just point out a couple differences on the 3A between the 2A, because some people ask. So like on the 3A, they don't have the gussets like the 2As have up in the front. They're slightly different where the bumpers mount. I do know that the way the steering mounts is also a little bit different on the CJ3A. One very noticeable difference are the shock mounts. So the CJ3A, they're threaded. 2As and such, and the earliers like the MBs, they're not threaded. They were just held on with a cotter pin and a washer. I do know there are some more differences in these, and some people that are going to know more about these than I will. But overall, we just wanted to highlight these. These can, most of the time, they need to be special ordered, but we also keep some of the more popular ones in stock. You can find these on our website, thejeepsterman.com. You can email us, sales@thejeepsterman.com, or you can call 314-798-6462. Thanks.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the Jeepsterman, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today. Awesome. Actually, you know what?
No high tech at all.